Hey guys, Dr. David with Chiropractic Plus here. Now, if you have not heard, on April 5th, we are having our detox workshop. That's right, we're discussing essential number 5, detoxifying. Now, one of the topics I'm most excited to discuss is household cleaning items, because I know we all love to keep a nice, clean, and tidy place to live. However, when we're using items that are toxic to our body, we could be doing more harm than we're doing good. So one of the best topics that we're going to be discussing is what items we can use, how to replace household cleaning items, what to look for to see which ones are more toxic, which ones are least toxic, because as we're consistently exposing or putting these things on our surfaces, we're consistently exposing our body to these toxins. We want to make sure we're reducing the toxic exposure to the best of our ability. So we're going to be discussing things that we can utilize to replace the most commonly used household items, what to be looking for on the ingredient list to make sure we are receiving and using the absolute best products, the least toxic for our body. So if you have not done so, guys, April 5th, make sure you purchase a ticket today. Bring your friends, bring your family with you. They deserve to hear this information too, so we can continue to rock this thing and continue to take our health to the next level. So if you haven't done so, purchase that ticket. I'll see you there. It's going to be absolutely phenomenal, guys. Have a wonderful day. Cannot wait.